Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2023. And as always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy any of my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. So, big day today, CPI. We had CPI pre-market about 1 hour before the open, and the market had some time to digest the numbers. Overall, I would say it was fairly in line with everything, with a slight bearish tilt. And you could see that was kind of the market's idea as well at the beginning, where we sold off, hit this level, changed course, and rocketed back up. You could say that, we closed the gap here because we kind of danced around this level, broke through, and maybe set a new, I don't know if there's even a point for me to kind of move this support resistance line maybe slightly down, but seems like there was a lot of movement going on here, and then gave up and crashed back down to our original opening kind of candle, big red candle right here. So a lot of movement, a lot of traders and everybody trying to figure out what to make of the numbers. Big move, a lot of volume here. We moved back up, and obviously we started going down. And what I want to point out here is this is the 4100 level, but there was no respect for this 4100 level. It's at pretty much a 409596, something like that. So just keep that in mind, that if you're placing your stops or trades at 4100, it might be a little bit better to do it right below that, 4090 even or something. So just keep that in mind, that there's not much respect for the big number, the 4100, that it's about 5 or 10 points below. As you could see, we moved back up in this territory, kind of moved around here, what we did over here and over here and over here. Jump back to this line right here, which I have from prior days, and this was kind of from yesterday. This was yesterday, closing price, and that's where we kind of had the resistance support level the rest of the day. So pretty critical level right here, just to keep that as that is actually 4137, 4136 is where we ended. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your own trading, that this was kind of a critical level, and probably be a good number, a good line to look at right here, this support resistance line. So what I did today, let's see, my trades were, there was only a few trades that I placed because I placed them, if you recall, on Monday leading up to CPI. The premiums were way too good to pass up. We did expect, by the way, that the market was pricing and we were going to move about 1.7% in either direction. So from here, 1.7 down or 1.7 up. Obviously, that did not take place. We closed pretty much flat. We closed flat. Yes, we closed completely flat on the day. A lot of price movement during the day, but we closed completely flat. So I took advantage of the CPI before the CPI came out. So I had some trades out. I'll show it to you now. And the ones I placed today were, the first one was the 4190 call, when I saw that we were selling off. And I thought it was myself that it was on a slight bearish tilt. And I entered a 4060 put and a 4070 put. Once I saw that we're probably not going to reach those levels, or if we do reach them, it's going to be overextended. So with this, I collected $989 for today. But here's the chart. I didn't have to close anything out early. We kind of just hovered in the end of the day in this territory, as you saw. So here are the trades on the put side, and here's the 1, 2, 3, and here's the 1, 2, 3 here. I actually thought about closing this one out and moving it up here. It was like 5 cents or 10 cents the entire day. I could have moved it up, but I didn't feel that aggressive today just because I don't know. It just didn't seem right, so I just left it alone. And sometimes it's just better to do less. So that was it. Pretty successful trade that what took 2 days, but worked out very well in the end. After the market, we had some earnings, one of which was Airbnb, and Airbnb absolutely crushed it. They did really, really well. They had EPS of 48 cents, and the forecast was 25 cents, and revenue was 1.9 billion versus 1.86 billion, and the stock is trading 12% higher after hours. So we'll see a continuation probably tomorrow. Unfortunately for me, I have a few covered calls that I sold and they are way in the money, so we're gonna have to try and get out of that one. But overall, the day, it was interesting. We can't wait to get another set of numbers, probably play kind of similar to this. I think I need to add volatility on this chart so I could show you guys the massive drop off of volatility that what took place after, pretty much leading up and after the event. I'll go ahead and add that on in the next video. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and please hit the like button on your screen there. I appreciate it. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.